Google announced their WebP format in 2010 as an alternative to other image formats. WebP, based on Google's VP8 compression, offered much smaller image file sizes for images of similar quality and was pushed by Google as a way to save on bandwidth and storage by using WebP on websites instead of other image formats. WebP would also later support animation, which meant it could be used as an alternative to GIF animations, which were traditionally quite large in terms of their file size whilst being of low quality. Many sites and services have adopted the WebP format, and most people have the ability to view the images as support has been built into all major web browsers for quite some time now. One of the companies that has adopted the use of WebP images includes Google themselves and YouTube. Google uses the format on some of their sites and allows users to upload images in the WebP format to Google Photos. You would expect that Google, the creators of the format, and an organization that uses the format itself, would make the format compatible with more of their services. If I want to use a WebP image in a Google Doc, and I drag a WebP image into the doc, it will give me an error saying that it is an unsupported image type. To be able to use a WebP in a Google Doc, I need to use a program such as Microsoft Paint to first convert the image before inserting it. You heard that right, even Microsoft Paint has been updated to allow you to work with WebP images. If I want to copy a WebP image from a website, it is even more difficult. I need to download the image first, then convert it, then upload it. This is becoming more of a problem as more websites are beginning to incorporate WebP images into their sites. There is also no way to tell if an image is a WebP without checking, so I don't know whether I need to even download an image in the first place unless I try to insert the image, download it, or copy and paste the image URL. Google Drawings, Google's simple cloud image creation and editing tool, has quite a lot of the features you need to quickly mock up an image or even make a simple YouTube thumbnail, even though it isn't a full-featured photo editing program. The app, however, doesn't allow you to insert WebP images, and doesn't give WebP as an option to export your drawing. The program does, however, allow you to export a drawing as a PDF, which is a document format, but doesn't even allow you to export Google's own image format. The YouTube site itself uses WebP, both for thumbnails as well as the video previews that are available when hovering over thumbnails. To save on bandwidth, YouTube has begun to encode uploaded thumbnails as WebP images for supported devices. The animated previews take advantage of the ability to create animated images to allow a single image to be used as opposed to multiple to create a video preview. In one video from YouTube, they even try to convince other site owners to start using WebP images for their sites. Despite the fact that YouTube uses WebP images for their own thumbnails, YouTube does not allow you to upload thumbnails which are in the WebP format. Don't get me wrong, WebP images are quite good due to the relatively small file size, even if they take slightly more processing power to decode. Taking images from a camera and converting them to JPEG, PNG, GIF, and WebP using ImageMagick at 80% quality, the WebP image consistently has the smallest file size. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any other problems you've noticed with other products, consider leaving a comment about it down below, and maybe I'll make it into a future video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas for future videos, and subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos.